I'm saying goodbye to Phantom. I cat-sitted her for around 3.5 months while my friend was away. They're flying home soon, so today I'm at their apartment food fair to say bye. I had some taro coconut, shimilu, and perotta pancakes in first banana dance band flavor. These are both so good. I spent some more time with Fenty. She's so cute and needy. A lot of my friends have cats, so I would play with them when I visit or sleep over, but cat-sitting Phantom was my first time actually living with a cat for months, and I absolutely loved it. I loved that I'd always return home to Phantom running to the door asking for cuddles or treats, and I love how she casually blocks my screen during Zoom meetings and also left a scar on my tummy when I cut her nails. Well, now I know I'm for sure getting my own cat in the future. On the way back home, I got a flower from a group of high school kids. Perfect way to end the day, and that's it for the vlog. Bye!